So this is the Duracell portable power station that we're going to unbox and show you what comes inside. So over the past couple years, there have been tons of power stations that have been on the market. This is Duracell's first try at it, and I'm kind of excited to see just what they have in here in terms of features. So we're going to unbox it here in this video, and then right away, first of all, I love the fact, you'll see it here in just a second, it looks like a Duracell battery. So it has like the Duracell colors here. So that's pretty awesome. There is a little caution sticker on the top of it. It says, do not put coins, credit cards, or any other metal objects between the phone and the tiltable lid. So one of the cool features about this thing is that it's meant to charge up like your laptop, your phone, your tablets, your smartwatch. On the back of it, you'll see that there's a bunch of ports that you can use. You can use them all at the same time. And you even have this cool ring. So this is a MagSafe. Your phone will be able to attach itself to the top of this, and it'll stick there. So that way you can charge, and you can even have it like right in front of like your desk, so you can see the text messages coming in, which is pretty awesome. There's even a little storage bin, if you can see that there, just to like put away cables, which is pretty nice. And it's pretty cool, so I'm loving that. In the other box here, I'm just gonna assume that, oh yeah, so here's the dock for it. So this will allow you to actually charge the power station itself. So once we take it out here, this is what kind of sits like maybe on your shelf, and then you plug this in, and then the power station just goes right on top, just like that. That's pretty awesome. So then once this is all charged, you can just take it with you, take it anywhere in the house, or maybe you just want to travel with it. And it's pretty awesome. So there you go. That is the Duracell power station.